Good morning to all. Today we are going to present a project based on our subject employability skills and mini project development. The project name is Interacting Robot and the group members are Anandu Krishnan, Samish Kadam, Sudhi Malpure. The project is guided by Professor Anjali Jagtap. We are from the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, I2IT Pune. In the recent world, we are facing a new problems like customer interaction, customer service. So we have gone through a solution which is a interactive robot. Today we are trying to design the robot that can take a role of greeting or welcoming in a variety of service industries. The robot can be used in offices, shopping centers, parking centers, and party halls, which can directly interact and greet people and take some small services. And for this project, we have taken various references from some journals and textbooks. For example, I am listing some references. A novel greeting selection system for a culture adaptive humanoid robot, which is written by Gabriel Trovato. And second, we have used a reference from a textbook named Ordino, which is written by Patil Tushar. We have taken other references also from websites and all. The main problem we have identified is that we can decrease the human effort in small services like greeting, interacting, giving customer supports. Like when we are going to a shopping center, if we have some doubt, then we can interact with the robot, which will reduce the human effort and the gap will be reduced. In place of human effort and human resource, we can use these robots. And the problem statement and objective is to design robot uh, perform the repetitive task of greeting people graciously by a recorded hello message. This project introduces a designing symbol robot that can scan the obstacles that are observed in its vicinity and wish them politely. This is the main problem statement. And our objective is to make a robot that could recognize the presence of a person. The presence of a person can be identified by motion and other technical factors, and to learn to build a humanoid robot based on microcontroller, and to learn the application of microcontrollers. And for further explanation and the proposed methodology, I am inviting our group member Shruti Malpure for further explanation. Shruti, please take over.
Yes, thank you. Um, this given figure shows the circuit diagram of our developing walking robot. In this, we have used the Arduino Uno board, then L298 motor drive, DC motor, ultrasonic sensor, battery. In this, we have used the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, which is used to determine the distance of an object in its vicinity. The L298N motor drive is the high power motor drive module for driving DC and stepper motor. This module consists of a L298 motor drive IC and 78M05 5-volt regulator. In this module can control up to 4 DC motor as and or 2 DC motor with the directional and speed control. The DC motor is a type of motor that can rotate with great precision. Normally, this type of motor consists of control circuit that provides feedback on the current position of motor shaft. This feedback allows the servo motor to rotate with the great precision. This is the block diagram of our layer 2. Uh, the layer 2 for the detection and greet human. In this part, we have used the components such as Arduino Uno board, LCD display, infrared sensor, 9-volt battery. The LCD display is used to display the greeting message, which is hello. The infrared sensor that emits in order to sense the some aspects of surroundings. An IR sensor can measure the heat of object as well as detect the motions. In this slide, we can see the hardware components, which is which is DC servo motor, Arduino Uno board, resistor, LED, battery, connector, push to on switch, ultrasonic transceiver module, IR obstacle sensor, LCD display, and logic probe. As well as we have used the software which is Arduino IDE for code testing, Proteus simulation for circuit simulation, and Easy EDA for PCB design. Shamish, please take over.
Okay, thank you, Shruti. Now I'll be taking impact analysis. Impact of this our project on society and environment is it will help to maintain social distancing during situation like COVID. They are more accurate and reliable than human. Helpful to promote services, attract new customer, and create pleasant atmosphere. It will also save time and it will cost low labor cost, and they can work 24 by 7 without getting tired. And harmful or negative impact are risk of unemployment. They need constant power supply so that they could work continuously. It will impact on human interaction also. They are expensive to install and run. And the professional ethical practice to be followed are giving credits, keeping technical guidelines in mind, also following the norms of engineering practices, and liability for outcome caused by one's action for decisions. From here, the Shruti will take on.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you, Shamish. This is the simply system implementation. This is the implementation for layer 1. We can see the develop. We can see the layout for the develop walking robot. This is the layer 2 circuit diagram. Before detecting the human, it will display welcome myself robot. After detecting the human, it will display hello, good morning.
Shruti, let me interfere. We are also using components like Arduino Uno board, infrared sensors, and LCD also in this layer 2 implementation.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
This is the PCB layout of our design. Shamish, please take over.
Thank you, Shruti. And the results and discussion of our project are developing the walking robot, in which you have used electronic sensors and displaying the result on LCD display. Before detecting human, welcome myself robot is displayed on the LCD. Also, then after detecting human, we will display hello, good morning. And conclusion and future scope of our project is the main aim of this project was to construct an interacting robot which provides service of welcoming people graciously and also feeling them comfortable while they enter into any of the programs or where we have installed the robot. This is low cost service robot which can be designed and used in public places, functions, parties, which attracts a lot of attention. Then the future scope is using this concept, we can be expanded to include various other portions, which could include IoT and wireless sensor devices, so that we could control this robot from far distances also. For more simplicity, we can make an Android application which will easily control the devices.
Shamish, I would also like to add the future scope, including in this pandemic time, these contactless robots are very useful on small services like ticket issuing and services in other outlets also.
Thank you, Anandu. And the references of our project are from Arduino-based greeting robot controlled. The authors are Patil Tushar, God Prashant, Patil Jagdish, and Bari Jayesh. Then the novel greeting selection system for a cultural adaptive humanoid robot, and that was a book written by Gabriel Trovato and Zeka. And then the greeting machine, an abstract robotic object for opening encounters. Authors are Lucy Anderson, Bashan, Beni, Megadish, Hadas. And others are websites as Engineers Gallery, Miscellaneous Supply, and Make Stuff. Thank you.
We would also like to thank our faculties who have given such an opportunity for presenting this project for them. And I would also like to thank my group members, Samish and Shruti. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.